Snack size stories here. So I was watching the Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial and I noticed something pretty interesting here. Watch here and you can see Johnny Depp's other attorney, Ben Chu, actually write a little note and hand it to Camille Vasquez, who's conducting the cross-examination. And this note turns out to be key to proving Amber Heard in one of her lies. And just by watching the clip, we can figure out exactly what this note said.
You testified under oath, quote, "The entirety of my divorce settlement was donated to charity," end quote. That statement wasn't true.
It is true. I pledged the entirety to charity.
The statement...
When you say you buy a house, you don't pay for the entire house
Ms. Heard,
at one time.
respectfully,
You pay it
I'm
over
not
time.
asking, Ms. Heard.
All right, next question, please.
Thank you. That statement isn't true today, as you sit here today, is it?
It is true. I pledged the entirety.
But you didn't donate it.
Unfortunately,
You didn't donate it. It's a yes or no.
I haven't been able to to fulfill those
So that's a no,
obligations.
right, Ms. Heard?
I made the pledge. I want to be very clear. I pledged the entirety. I haven't been able to fulfill those pledges because I've been sued.
You had all of the $7 million for 13 months before Mr. Depp sued you, and you chose not to pay it to the charities you pledged it to. Is that correct, Ms.
I
Heard?
disagree with your characterization of that.
So as soon as Johnny Depp's attorney passes the note to Camille, you see her read it, and then she clearly asks a question based on the note. And after watching the clip, it's clear that this note said something about the fact that Amber had all of her $7 million for 13 months before Johnny Depp even sued her for defamation. So that's definitely what this note said. It was saying, hey, ask her about the 13 months she had the money and didn't donate it. She was just sitting on it. At that point, she had no knowledge of a lawsuit. There was no lawsuit filed against her. She had absolutely no idea this was going to happen. So that just completely destroys and disproves her fallback argument that, well, Johnny Depp sued me, so I couldn't fulfill those obligations I made. And you can also tell that's definitely what this note said, because as Camille Vasquez is asking the question, you can see Johnny Depp's other attorney nodding his head along with the note that he just passed up to her. He's waiting to hear Amber's response. And it's pretty funny once Amber responds to the question saying, I don't agree with your characterization of that. And then Ben Chu is just like, what? What do you mean? Like, that's literally a fact. You can't argue around it. There's no more fallback plans. There's nowhere else to go. Just Amber is continuously trying to evade the truth, twist her story. She has all these excuses, but they're running out quickly. So just saw this cool moment in the trial that not many people spotted, not many people were talking about, but this really did help seal the deal on Amber's big lie about the $7 million donation. They proved she didn't make the donation, and they also proved that her excuse for not making it is also bogus. Stay tuned and we'll have more to come.